Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the infected sauropod from the TV show Primal. Now, this is basically just kind of like a zombified Brachiosaurus, but it looks pretty cool, and especially because this new Primal series is going to be a part of the Inktober this year. So I thought it'd be cool to show you guys how to draw this. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to draw the eye. And the eye is just simply a small circle like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line. It's just going to curve around, and then it's going to come down and curve like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then I'm going to make kind of like a wavy line that goes right across. I'm going to start out here, and I'm going to draw a little line that goes in. And then I'm going to make a line that goes up, and it's going to come down to about here. I'm going to start back here, and I'm going to make a little line that goes around. It's going to go over, and then up, and then down like this. Then I'll make another little bump right out here. Now I'm going to draw a little line underneath and over the eye. Then I'm going to make a little wavy line coming down from it. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a few little lines right there. Then right under here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to come up. And then starting here to make the mouth, we're just going to draw a long line that goes down, and it's going to curve around. And then right in here, we'll draw a little line that goes down. We'll put a few little lines in there. Right here, I'm going to add some little bumps for the teeth. And I'll do the same thing on the top, just some little bumps. I'll make a few little bumpy lines inside of here, and one that comes down. And then I'm going to just add some more curved lines that come back. Then I'll add two little curved lines up here just to kind of show where the other side of the mouth is. I'm going to make some kind of like dripping lines right here out of the mouth. A little line that's just going to curve right around here for the chin. And I'll just make some kind of drippy lines that curve right around here. And then kind of come back like that. Now right here I'm going to draw a line that goes up and comes down. We'll add a few more. And I'm going to continue this pattern down here just a little bit. Make these bumps just a little bit different size till we get to right about here. Then I'm going to kind of do the same thing down here. I might make some of these kind of look a little bit more drippy. This is kind of like the skin is almost falling off at times, so we'll just kind of go down and bring it up. And I'll add one right here. Now right here we'll add a little line that goes out, and we'll put a few little drip marks right there. And then I'll add a little curved line here. Now we want to start with the leg. So I'm going to start here, draw a little line down. Then I'll draw one that comes out and down like this. Then I'm going to bring it over for a toe. I'll go down and come over again for another toe. And I'll do this one more time. And when I come over here, I'm just going to bring it up to about there. Make a line that goes out and comes up. Put another little bump here. And then I'll bring it right back up to here. Curve this along. Diagonal line here. Jump over this leg and bring it to here. We want this leg to be a little bit lower, so I'll go down close towards the bottom of my paper. Another one that goes down and over. I'm going to put a big sharp claw on here. 2 little lines around it. And then a line that goes up and comes back here. Then I'll make a little line that just kind of is wavy here. We'll add a little line that curves here. One that goes out and comes in and down. For this leg, when I get to about here, I'll add a little line here and then one more here, and this one's going to come down to right about there. This one's going to have more claws on it, so we'll add one that goes down, and they're kind of curved off to the side. Do one here, and then another one right there. It's a little bit smaller. I'm going to go out and come up. I'm going to go in, and then curve out and back. Then one more that's going to curve up and right to about there. There will be one more leg back here. We won't really see much of this, so we're just going to draw a line that goes in. It's going to come down to about here and over. And then just a nice little diagonal line. That's about all you see. So I'm going to draw one more line that comes down to about here. And then these, we're going to go up, down, and then over and down again. So it kind of looks like it's spine. So watch that again. We'll go up, down, over, and down again. And I'm just going to repeat this a few more times. I know it's a little tricky on this part, and we'll just make some little bumps right to about there. Now he does have a really long tail. I won't be able to make it quite as long just because I won't be able to fit it in my entire paper, but I'll do the best I can. So I'm just going to bring this up, we'll add a few drippy lines on here, a couple more. I'm going to curve this back, put a couple little bumps in it. This tail gets really big at the end, so we'll just make some little bumpy lines. A little curved line like this. Now I'm going to come back with some bumps. And then I'm going to bring the line to here. Add a couple little bumps right there for some texture. Okay, so here's our basic shape of our infected sauropod from Primal. Now we just want to come in here and add some details. Now I'm going to go a little bit faster through this, and we definitely won't get all of the details in here because there's a ton of them, but we'll just get some basic things in here. So let's start with the face up here. One of the first things we want to do is just add some little lines in this little spot here. I'm going to add some extra little lines kind of right around the eye. Maybe a couple here. Some extra little lines there. I'm going to add just a few little curved lines in some spots around here on the neck. And then we can make more of these wavy lines in some of these spots here. There's going to be some little bumps sticking out right here, kind of like where part of the bones are coming out. And there's also going to be almost like some little hair spots on all these too, kind of right around here. You can make some wavy sections like this, and then add like a few lines just to kind of show where the skin might have fallen off. You can add like some little circle shapes all around here. Just some kind of little details all over the place. Add some little extra lines. We'll kind of do the same thing right around the body here. Maybe just add some extra little wavy lines. Maybe a long line right here. I can add like a few kind of rib lines here. And a few more spots where, you know, maybe some parts of the skin has fallen off. Just a few more little dots kind of right around here. Some little spots all over. I'm going to add some few little lines right all over here. Almost kind of looks like there's like moss or something growing on them. Forgot to add a little claw coming out over here. And then just some quick little lines on the feet and legs. We'll add some more extra lines right around here. Same thing, we'll just kind of add some little lines all over here. Maybe some more of these kind of curved, mossy looking lines. And then just some little detail areas, wherever you kind of think you might want like little spots to come off or little wavy lines. There are lots of these like circle shapes, lots of extra lines all over the place in here. Add some more lines on the toe. Little curved lines. It's just kind of up to you. Just kind of be creative where you want to. You don't have to make this look perfect. Just kind of add some different details all over. Maybe add some more little lines here and a couple little quick lines on the body here. Add some little detail lines all over. And then when you get to the tail, it's kind of basically the same thing. Maybe a couple little extra lines going down the tail. You can add some little curved lines all over, kind of more of these little wavy spots. You can add some little bumps, little spots where the skins come off. I just like to put some quick little lines in there. And just some quick little details all over the place. You can add some more of those little lines coming off here in different spots. I'm not sure why the dinosaur has hair, but hey, it's whatever. So we'll add just some more these little details. More little lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of an infected sauropod from the show Primal. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.